You are welcome to my channel. I am Adedapo. In this video, we will learn conjugate of sort. Conjugate sort is the sum and the difference of two simple quadratic sorts. This expression, square root of a plus b. The conjugate of this expression is square root of a minus b. Other examples, the conjugate of 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. The conjugate of 2 root 3 minus 1 is 2 root 3 plus 1. The conjugate of 1 minus root 5 is 1 plus root 5. The conjugate of 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. And the conjugate of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Take note of the signs. The difference is in the sign. Here we have plus and here we have minus. Let us solve the following problem. To solve this sort, we have to rationalize the denominator. Now, in our previous work, I talked of how to rationalize sort. When rationalizing, you multiply the denominator with the numerator and the denominator. Now, to answer this question, two important steps are involved: conjugate and rationalizing. So now that we have found the conjugate and we have multiplied with both the numerator and the denominator, we'll go ahead and multiply the work out. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 root 2 is 2 root 2. All over 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 root 3 is 6 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 times 3. That will be minus 6 root 2. And minus 2 root 2 times minus 2 root 2 will be 2 times 2. That's 4. And then you multiply root 2 times root 2. That will be 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, the answer is minus 8. Go ahead and solve. This is 3 plus 2 root 2. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And then 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is 0. So 9 minus 8, we have 1. And any number all over 1 is that number. We have 3 plus 2 root 2. To solve this, we have to rationalize the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of this denominator will be 2 root 2 minus 1. To solve this, we multiply the conjugate by the numerator and the denominator. Now that we have rationalized the conjugate of the denominator, we'll go ahead and multiply. 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, the same one we did the other time, is 8. We have 8, and then 2 root 2 times minus 1. That will be minus 2 root 2. We are through with multiplying with this. We come over to this. Minus 3 times 2 root 2. That will be minus 6 root 2. Minus 3 times minus 1 equals to plus 3. All over 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 here is 8. 2 root 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 root 2. 1 times 2 root 2 is plus 2 root 2. And then 1 times 1 will be minus 1. So 8 plus 3, that would be 11. Root 2 here, we have root 2 here. So we can add these two since they are similar. So minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that will be minus 8 root 2. And we come over to the denominator. 8 minus 1 is 7. Minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 0. So we have 7 here. And that is our final answer. Number 3. Number 3. To solve this expression, this has square here. This has square. So for us to be able to simplify this expression, we have to first of all simplify the denominator. So when we now have the final answer, we now put that answer and use it to solve. So let's simplify the denominator first. 1 minus root 3 bracket 1 minus root 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus root 3 is minus root 3. Minus root 3 times 1 is minus root 3. And then this times this is plus 3. So we have 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 3. So 1 plus 3. We have 4 minus 2 root 3. Now we are going to substitute 4 minus 2 root 3 in place of this 1 minus root 3 squared. So we'll go ahead and solve that. So 1 all over 4 minus 2 root 3. Now we are going to rationalize the conjugate of the denominator. This is minus here, so the conjugate will be plus. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to learn more. Bye.